Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to exchange an item using the ZARA app. Whether the size wasn't right or you changed your mind, the app makes the exchange process simple and convenient. Now let's get started. First of all, open your ZARA app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now tap on account icon on bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your account. From the account menu, select the purchases option. This will display a list of your recent orders. I haven't purchased anything yet, so my purchases section is empty. However, I'll guide you through the process so you can follow along and learn how to purchase anything you want from the ZARA app. Now let's get back into the topic. Find the order containing the item you want to exchange and tap on it. From the order details place, locate the specific item that you want to exchange and select it. Then tap on exchange option, which is usually available next to the item details. ZARA allows exchanges for size and color, so you'll need to choose the new size or color you would like. If the option isn't visible, it may mean the item isn't eligible for the exchange. Once you have selected your preference, confirm the exchange request. ZARA will hold the new item for you and provide instruction for returning the original item. Follow the return instruction provided in the app. This may involve generating a return label and dropping off the item at the designated location. ZARA requires the original item to be returned before the exchange is finalized. And that's how you can exchange an item on the ZARA app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.